ADA, we start with daily chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if you refer to my last analysis, we mentioned we can look for buy from here, and we discussed about all these things. And now we want to see whether the price can break this top, and this is we can see the continuation, or we can expect this one turn to a more complex correction before we see the continuation. Anyway, if we get the next drop, any opportunity for buy from here will be the best, but we don't need to wait for that option. The only reason I'm discussing about this option, whoever wants to look for buy from here at the top, they need to be quite careful. Since the price was within here, I mentioned we can expect the price drop to, sorry, we could expect the price drop to the 50 cent, and it happened. And now we want to see whether the price can break this stop. With the breakout of this stop, I'm looking for 75 following by 82 cent. And with the breakout of this zone, we are looking for 92 cent. All right. Anyway, we started higher time frame. This is what we have been looking for, and we want to see what's the next. And if we move to higher time frame, if we move to weekly chart, all right, we mentioned we want to see the breakout based on higher time frame. We want to see the breakout of the 92 following by 1.35, because with the breakout of the 92 cent, we are expecting, I mean, we can confirm we are out of this correction when we can confirm for continuation, and we can expect the price tag or even break all-time high. But as long as the price haven't break the 92 cent, still we are within the correction based on weekly chart. And the only thing is, at this point, since overall market is moving, for me, I'm looking for buy. But at this point, if anyone wants to look for buy, they should be quite careful because of this one turn to the possibility for this one turn to more complex correction. But any opportunity for buy, the short-term target is 75, following by 82, following by 92, which is quite important for us. And to look for buy at this point, we have to look for trade based on lower time frame, 4 hour or 1 hour chart. We have to look for the flag. And rather than that, we don't see anything else. If we put this stop relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. That's why whoever wants to look for buy from here, they need to be quite careful, because technically, if the condition was a normal, we could I mean, for me, I wouldn't buy at this point. I will prefer either to wait for the next drop or see the breakout of the stop to see the confirmation. That's mean the price break and we see the flag, then look for trade based on lower time frame. But at this point, since the overall market is moving, it depends on the strategy the traders are looking for. That's mean they can look for buy. And even we don't need to really care about the divergence at this point, because the divergence will be a short-term reversal and we see the continuation. And at this point, I'm looking for this one. Any opportunity for buy will be good idea. But as I mentioned, since we're buying at the top of the daily correction, then we should trade based on lower time frame. For me, if I want to put, for example, put my entry above this top based on 1 hour chart, what I want to see the price sharply tag, break, and continue with the price tag. We see there is no continuation. For me, I will not keep the trade more than 2 hours. And at this point, the only option is to put our entry above here. And as I mentioned, if the price tag, we want to see price sharply tag, break, and continue the price tag. We see there is no continuation within the 2 hours. We should take out the trade. Okay, because if we move to daily chart, as I mentioned, at this point, at this time, the price is at the top of this correction, which is somewhere around 84 cents. The best things, if you want to look for buy, we see the breakout based on 1 hour or 15 minutes. We see the flag above this top, then we take the trade. This is the best option. But and if we move to 1 hour chart, all right, still we can look for buy from here, but we should know how to manage it if it doesn't move in our direction, because if we see the next drop, we can expect the price drop to 50 before we see the continuation. We don't want that happen. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.